Hello, Sophie D'Souza here, Sophie Stained Glass. This is a wee follow-up. Ooh, that's a bit of a pun for those of you who saw last week's. I've had a few questions about giving more information about the lights that I used. Here they are. Princely sum of £12 from Amazon for 20 metres. Yes, 20 metres for £12. And in fact, if you buy a shorter length, it's more expensive. Seems nobody wants 20 metres. This is what it looks like. You've got a little controller, little unboxing video. You got your power line. This is what the lights actually look like. I'll show you those in more detail later. So this little three-pronged affair goes in this side. And then you can see what happens, can't you? And of course we have our very exciting remote control, which you can actually set to disco mode, where it will flash in time to the music. Yet to try that one. Now then, have a little look at these in more detail. I've been asked how I attached them, and I will show you that they do come on a piece of paper, ever so fragile, which is adhesive. You peel off the backing and it's actually really sticky. So even if you stick it in the wrong place, it's quite forgiving. I'll take you inside my small room, and maybe I can talk you through my thought processes while I was deciding quite how to mount the lights. So this is the inside of the door, and that's what it looks like, sort of square on. You can see that I have stuck 2 rows of lights up the inside of where I built the frame for the window. Now, interestingly, on this side, and this is the only place where it's happened, I don't know if you can see, but we've got a little bit of blue light here, doesn't show up very well, and a little bit of pink light here. And I think when it went around the corner, some of the sort of the wiring must have got a bit damaged, so it doesn't seem to make much difference. I didn't put diffusers in any of these windows, and that's because the glass is so textured that it diffuses the light that comes through, and it also gives you the privacy you need, because obviously, as you all know, this is my rather over the top downstairs loo. This piece I sandblasted the back of. That was an experiment I did ages ago, actually. That's what it looks like, not sandblasted. So you can see, actually, you get a much clearer, brighter light without the etching, which is what a diffuser would do. I did consider that maybe to hide the row of lights I could put a diffuser, but then I would be reducing the amount of light, and I decided to just go with it, go with the light, and just, you know, enjoy the effects I get. And as you saw in my previous video, if I turn the lights off inside, I still get the illumination coming from the lights in the hall. I did try putting the windows halfway back and putting lights on either side, but it didn't actually gain me anything, because I've got the hall light outside I can put on for external lighting. So then I moved the lights further into the rebate so that they would be closer on the outside. And I think you have to do a bit of trial and error when you do something like this for the first time, because you won't know the effects you get. There's something strange about illuminating stained glass. It really struggles actually to compete with daylight. but these LED lights are so bright, they seem to be doing a great job. There is a place for light sheets when you're working with internal glass, and that's especially when you've got wide areas of glass to light up, where an external rim of lighting just won't reach into the middle. But those panels, if you buy them bespoke, are terribly expensive. So you could probably use these lights for you know, other kinds of light boxes, like this light box, which I've got a video of, that's in my kitchen. That's got rope LED lights, which are more expensive and not as flexible actually, and not as bright. And the only other thing I'd like to mention is, look, toilet roll holders now come with phone shelves. Who knew that you could innovate the humble toilet roll holder? So I hope I've covered all the questions I was asked about the LED lights. Obviously I've probably forgot something, so let me know if I have. And yeah, thank you for your interest, and please like, comment and subscribe.